This video will show you how to replace the battery in your 2024-2025 Toyota Tacoma key fob. It's a simple DIY task that can save you time and money compared to going to a dealership. You'll need a CR2032 battery and a small flathead screwdriver. The entire process takes only 5 to 10 minutes. The Toyota Tacoma key fob serves multiple important functions. It allows remote locking and unlocking of the vehicle's doors, features a panic button to activate the alarm system, and includes smart key capabilities for passive entry and engine start without pressing buttons. The key fob is powered by a CR2032 3-volt lithium coin cell battery. This battery typically lasts 1 to 2 years, though frequent use, especially for remote engine starts, can shorten its lifespan. Proper disposal of old lithium batteries is important due to environmental regulations to prevent fire hazards and promote recycling. Before opening the key fob, ground yourself to prevent static electricity damage to the electronics. Locate the seam on the key fob where the two halves meet. This is where you'll insert the screwdriver. Use a small flathead screwdriver. Gently insert the tip into the seam and pry the halves apart. Avoid damaging the plastic by forcing it. Important: do not force the case open, as this can damage the internal components. Once pried open, the key fob halves separate, revealing the interior. Carefully remove the old CR2032 battery from the opened key fob. Note that the positive side faces up. If needed, use a screwdriver to gently pry the battery out, following the illustrated steps. Be careful not to short the battery contacts accidentally. If this happens, clean the contacts with isopropyl alcohol using a wipe. Now insert the new CR2032 battery into the key fob. Make sure the positive side, marked with a plus symbol, faces upward. The battery must be securely seated in the compartment. Incorrect polarity can prevent the key fob from working properly. Ensure the battery is properly aligned and snapped into place for reliable operation. Now align the two halves of the key fob case. Press firmly along the seam to snap them back together, ensuring there are no gaps around the edges. Test the key fob by pressing the lock, unlock, and panic buttons to confirm the new battery is working properly. If the key fob doesn't work after battery replacement, it could indicate a faulty battery or a deeper electronic problem. Always check the battery's expiration date before installation to avoid this issue. In rare cases, you may need professional reprogramming at a dealership, which costs between $50 and $100. As a final tip, always check your key fob's range after replacement to ensure it works properly up to 50 feet away. Looking ahead, future trends include rechargeable fobs and smartphone app diagnostics that alert you to low battery levels. Remember that DIY battery replacement is generally straightforward and cost-effective, saving you time and money. Finally, please recycle old lithium batteries responsibly to prevent environmental hazards like fires.